Scary Shuffles, Advanced Beginner Halloween Tap Dance. That's what you're going to learn in this video. Make sure you stay tuned to the end so you can see how to stream the song for free and how you can get our Halloween tap hack for just $1. If you're new here, I'm Rod from UnitedTaps.com, helping people just like you be happier and healthier through tap dance. Without further ado, let's jump in.
First, let's watch it from the top.
The graveyard mist begins to rise, a single heel begins to drop, reflecting in your phantom's eyes, a rhythm that will never stop. You feel a chill, a sudden draft, the brushes scream across the snow, a ghostly echo quickly casts the beat you feel inside your bones. Scary shuffles in the night that fill the air with pure delight, a single stomp that shakes the ground, a heel quick lift and eerie sound. Your flex and pull and start to raise, the echo all around the place. It's calling you to come and play, and there's the haunted night away.
All right, let's jump in and learn this. Starting with your right foot. Step, heel, heel, step, heel, heel. Right foot cramp roll, step, heel, heel, step, heel, heel. Right foot cramp roll. I'm going to do that again and put some counts on it. 6, ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and a 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and a. Beautiful. Let's speed it up. 6, ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and a 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and a. From there, toe, toe, heel, heel, toe, toe, heel, heel. Irish right foot, step, toe, step, step. I'm going to show you that again. 6, 7, 8, toe, toe, heel, heel, toe, toe, heel, heel. Irish right foot, step, toe, step, step. Beautiful, my friends. Let's put it together from the top. 6, ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and a 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and a 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 a 6 and 7, 8 and super. Let's roll that one more time. 6, ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and a 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and a 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 a 6 and 7, 8 and. From there you have stamp, stamp, spank, step, scuffle, step, stamp, stamp, spank, step, dig, dig, click. Oh, and I missed my click. There we go. It'll come. There we go. So again, that was 6, 7, 8. Stamp, stamp, spank, step, scuffle, step, stamp, spank, step, dig, dig, click. Ah, there we go. Let's put some counts on it. 6, 5, 6, ready, go. 1 and a 2 and 3 and a 4 and a 5 and a 6 and 7 and 8. From here, step, step, stamp, shuffle, step, stamp, stamp. Yes, I'm going to do that again. That was step, step, stamp, shuffle, step, stamp, stamp. Step, draw all back, clap, clap, clap. Again, that last part was step, draw all back, clap, clap, clap. Let's go back to the step, step, stamp. That's starting on the and of 8. Because we did 1 and a 2 and 3 and a 4 and a 5 and a 6 and 7 and 8. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and a 6 and a 7 and 8 and. So that's how that's going to flow together. I'm going to do that again. Same thing, count it out, same speed. 6, same spot, ready, go. 1 and a 2 and 3 and a 4 and a 5 and a 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and a 6 and a 7 and 8 and. How about we roll that all again? Just a little bit faster. 5, 6, 5, 6, ready, go. 1 and a 2 and 3 and a 4 and a 5 and a 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and a 6 and a 7 and 8 and. Beautiful, my friends. Let's go top all the way through everything you know. You got this. 6, ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and a 5 and 6 and 7 and 80 and a 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 a 6 and 7, 8 and 1 and a 2 and 3 and a 4 and a 5 and a 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and a 6 and a 7 and 8 and. Beautiful, my friends. We're going to do that one more time. Then we'll put some music on and have a whole lot of fun. 5, 6, top 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and a 5 and 6 and 7 and 80 and a 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 a 6 and 7, 8 and 1 and a 2 and 3 and a 4 and a 5 and a 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and a 6 and a 7 and 8 and. If you're having a good time, please hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and take a quick moment to drop a comment down below. Literally anything you write helps us a ton. I'll give you a second to do it right now. Well, thank you so much. I appreciate it. Now let's get back to it. Beautiful. Let's try with music. The song is called Scary Shuffles. It was made with AI. I made some tweaks, but generally AI did the work. And the only way you can get access to it is you can get free streaming by clicking the link below. Or if you buy our Halloween pack for $1, you can download the song and use it as much as you like. We're going to start at 10 seconds into the song, and I'm going to start about 10% under real tempo so we can get used to it. Then I will work you up to real speed. All right, here we go. Good luck and have a scary good time. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Mist begins to rise, a single heel begins to drop, reflecting in our phantom's eyes. A rhythm that will never stop. You feel a chill, a sudden draft, brushes scrape across the stone. A ghostly echo quickly counts the beat you feel inside your bones. Scary shuffles in the night that fill the air with your.
Yes. All right, let's roll that again. I know my clicks don't always happen. There we go. That's what we're aiming for. Beautiful. Again from the top. One more time at minus 10%. So we are slow. If it feels slow, hang tight. We're going to go faster in a minute here. 5, 6, 7,
The
go!
graveyard mist begins to rise, a single heel begins to drop, reflecting in our phantom's eyes. A rhythm that will never stop. You feel a chill, a sudden draft, brushes scrape across the stone. A ghostly echo quickly counts the beat you feel inside your bones. Scary shuffles in the night that fill the air with your.
Beautiful. Let's bump it up to minus 5. That's a 5% increase. Enough to feel it, but hopefully not enough to throw you off. Here we go. 5, 6, 7,
The
8.
graveyard mist begins to rise, a single heel begins to drop, reflecting in our phantom's eyes. A rhythm that will never stop. You feel a chill, a sudden draft, brushes scrape across the stone. A ghostly echo quickly counts the beat you feel inside your bones. Scary shuffles in the night that fill the air with your light.
We'll roll it. Yeah, the claps are optional if you want to do under the leg. I'm just having fun. Let's roll it again top. All right. 5, 6, 7,
The
8.
graveyard mist begins to rise, a single heel begins to drop, reflecting in our phantom's eyes. A rhythm that will never stop. You feel a chill, a sudden draft, brushes scrape across the stone. A ghostly echo quickly counts the beat you feel inside your bones. Scary shuffles in the night that fill the air with your.
Yes! All right, my friends. I'm going to boost it up to real speed. No slowing down now. Best of luck and have a lot of fun. Here we go. 5, 6, 7,
The
8.
graveyard mist begins to rise, a single heel begins to drop, reflecting in our phantom's eyes. A rhythm that will never stop. You feel a chill, a sudden draft, brushes scrape across the stone. A ghostly echo quickly counts the beat you feel inside your bones.
getting used to that real speed and hopefully having a fantastic time. 5, 6, 7,
The
go!
graveyard mist begins to rise. A single heel begins to drop, reflecting in your phantom's eyes. A rhythm that will never stop. You feel a chill, a sudden draft. The brushes scrape across the stone. A ghostly echo quickly comes. The beat you feel inside your bones. Scary shuffles in the night that fill the air with pure delight. A single
Woo, my friends, let's throw that one more time. Having a good time, enjoy it. 5, 6, 7,
The
8.
graveyard mist begins to rise. A single heel begins to drop, reflecting in the phantom's eyes. A rhythm that will never stop. You feel a chill, a sudden draft. The brushes scrape across the stone. A ghostly echo quickly comes. The beat you feel inside your bones. Scary shuffles in the night that fill the air with.
Good, I'm gonna do it one more time facing you. You're not expected to do it with me. This is just so you can see what it looks like from the front if all goes well.
The graveyard mist begins to rise. A single heel begins to drop, reflecting in the phantom's eyes. A rhythm that will never stop. You feel a chill, a sudden draft. The brushes scrape across the stone. A ghostly echo quickly comes. The beat you feel inside your bones. Scary shuffles in the night that fill the air with pure delight. A single stomp that shakes the ground. A heel quick lift and eerie sound. Your steps and pull back start to raise. The echo all around the place. It's calling you to come and play. And there's the haunted night away.
Well, there you have it. That's the first half of the Scary Shuffles Halloween tap dance. If you want to stream the music for free, you can click on the link down below, and I'll try to put one up here, but there's definitely one down below. In addition to that, if you want to get our Halloween pack for just $1, you can also click on that same link. It'll tell you how to do that. You'll get the music to download, not just stream. You'll also get the full version of the combination, not the shorter version that we learned in this video. And you'll get written notes with counts, plus additional combinations with the music, with the extended versions, and with the written notes with counts, so you don't want to miss that. Thanks so much for tapping with me. I, of course, am Rod Howe from UnitedTaps.com, making you happier and healthier through tap dance.